Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start inside your open Capcut project and select the clip you want to fix. Tap the clip on the timeline so the editing toolbar appears. This gives you direct access to color and filters. Once selected, look at the active panels, filters, adjust, and presets, because color correction can hide in any of them. Make sure to note which panel shows sliders or a highlighted preset so you know where the applied corrections lie before you remove them. You now remove manual adjustments. Open Adjust and tap each slider, exposure, contrast, saturation, temperature, and set them back to neutral or use reset. Then check filters. If a filter is applied, reduce its intensity to 0 or disable it entirely. If a preset is active, choose None or tap Restore Defaults. This clears multiple changes at once. Once done, scrub the timeline to confirm the clip returns to its original look, and make sure no duplicate layers. Finish by previewing and exporting a short segment to verify the color match on other screens. If the correction still appears, inspect overlays, duplicated clips, adjustment layers, or imported LUTs that might apply globally. Make sure to check project-level effects in case a global filter is active. If you're stuck, duplicate the clip, remove edits on the duplicate, and swap it in. This isolates the problem. Finally, save a backup before major.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.